Hi everyone, welcome to MK Talent. Today we're going to know about how are Rolls-Royce made. We know Rolls-Royce are the most expensive cars in the world and the premium ones too. And it's known for its spirit of exercise and this stunning look, and the latest spec tire is so under an electric premium in a luxury car. So I'm not gonna waste time on showing this, but you guys want to know what is Rolls-Royce and an outlook about it. This car here is newly built and it's in the showroom. You can just see that camera there. The grills, everything is so premium. So first, in the factory, the engine, the powertrain has been built to the body. So a worker just fix it up there. So it's been built to the battery or power, whatever it is. And then the power is just. And one more special feature on the Rolls-Royce, that is on the painting and the roof. So you guys know that it appears like a star in midnight. So they just appear but disappears as if it were not there. So it's available in the roof alone of this car, and this is made by manpower. So this is how it is made, by removing each and every corners of that, and that is made easily by removing it. But we can say it by easily, but it's so hard to remove even one. And every part of the Rolls-Royce has been, most of the work has been done by hand. Manual labor is required in Rolls-Royce more. So after all these hard works the laborers does to make a Rolls-Royce or manufacturers, a beautiful Rolls-Royce is made. But it's beautiful to us, but it's so hard work behind this car. So to manufacture a Rolls-Royce, it requires nearly 4 to 6 months, depending upon the customers. So the colors are unlimited in this car. You can pick any of the colors, even for the interior as well as the exterior. And you have an own patent to your color. So if anyone wants to just repaint your color in the same car, you need your copyrights to make it also. So it's a great feature
we have on the wall. This is just a sample of the colours that are available. We actually have over 44,000 shades, and if you don't find one of those that takes your fancy, we can in fact make a new colour specifically to you. The great thing about these is that they're actually interchangeable. So you can take a colour, anyone that takes your fancy, so I'm a big fan of blue, and then we can open up these drawers. And in here, what you have is the lower half of the speedform, and it means that we can put them together to have a look and see what these two tones may look like. Now, what you don't get immediately in this room is the idea of what it's going to look like at home. So this light is designed to...
After hearing to a specialist, so the Rolls-Royce has been made uniquely for a customer's option or a customer's taste. So first, as I told, the powertrain has been attached to the body so that the body is now stability to use under other manufacturers. So nextly, the car has been tested, the batteries and the engines have been tested in each and every car by manpower. As it's so important, the manpower is required in manufacturing a Rolls-Royce. And even the battery are checked, even the engine working conditions and start and stop. And the one more special feature on this is the nail hand painting. So this has been done by a single man over all the world who just draws this coach line for the Rolls-Royce. It's the coach line. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe to MK Talent.